up, Live and Blended? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I am doing my first look with the Bperfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie, the Antidote palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Let's try this again. It is not the palette's fault. It is absolutely my fault. So I'm gonna do a look with the Bperfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie Carnival for the Antidote palette. I'm so excited. The colors are beautiful. I was so excited to see what it was gonna look like when all of the hype and everything come out when they were teasing it. I was like, oh my gosh, if it's anything like Carnival 3, which was my absolute favorite palette last year, I must have it. So I got it. And I'm just going to jump right in. Right now, I'm very drawn to the greens in this palette. So I have my lid primed with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas and Fair. And then I have my Crown Noir Queen of the Cut Crease, Half Cut Crease stencil down. And I'm just going to jump into it. So I'm going to take my ColourPop E10 brush and the shade Mystic. And I'm just going to get that down. Oh my gosh, that is... Ooh, that's a nice color. It looks really green in the palette, like a really dark green, but it's pulling like really just dark, almost black, brown, green shade, and this is amazing. We're gonna do probably a grungy halo eye. What do you think? Oh my gosh, beautiful. Alright, this is absolutely freaking bonkers. I love this shade so far. So for this, it was kind of fun because I showed my husband. I was so excited when it came in. I had to look at it and I wasn't going to be able to do anything with it until today. And I was like, oh my gosh, look. And he was like Ash and Mystic and I can't remember the other shade. I think he said Ash and Mystic and Granite, I do believe, are the shades that he was just like, yes. So I was like, okay, I'll try that. And so that's what I'm going to do. So to blend this out, I'm going to take my Nameless Morphe brush and the shade Ash to blend it out. Oh my gosh, yes. This is like, oh, this is to me such a like grunge green. Normally, I like to try to use as many colors as possible from a palette when I do a first impressions and review, but that was what I attempted the first time and I completely messed it up. And I spent like an hour on blending and getting my crease cut and everything, and I was just like, I'm just going to play with the greens for right now, and I will most definitely be doing another video soon. So if you've seen the palette or you have the palette and you have any ideas of a look that you would like me to try to create with any of the colors in this collection or in this palette, please let me know. I'm so excited that I got this. These just blend beautifully. Now these are shades that I didn't use in the first look that I tried. I can try to insert a clip of how it was going, just a short little bit so you can see. I used Pecan, Aubergine, and Fuego and Dove on the outer corner because I was going to do a cut crease, and it all kind of looked like maybe two colors, and I was like, I ruined it because I'd used Antidote, Clover, and Buttercup and Moss on the inner corner, and that was nice. Like, I was obsessed, but then on the outer bit of my eye was just like, no. So I had to get rid of it. So I'm sorry. I think I'm going to blend this out with Moss. So I'm going to take my Vasanti brush and go into Moss just to get that blended out, because I want to look like full grunge vibes. I'm doing back and forth windshield wiper motions. And now I'm just going to go back with the Nameless Morphe brush into the shade Ash to bring it back because I lost a little bit of it. I'm just going to go back into Moss real quick and blend that out. take my Default Beauty Lounge brush and go back into Ash and just kind of pat it in to blend it. I love it. This palette just blends like a dream. So I'm gonna take this tape off. It's time for the moment of truth. Not so bad. I just laid it on my lid in a hurry, so quick cleanup. Alright, I'm gonna take some micellar water on a Q-tip and some of my clean canvas to carve it out, so I will be quiet during this part and it will be heavily sped up. Alright, lid is clean, carved, and ready to go. So I'm going to move my micellar water out of the way and decide what other colors I want to play with. So I did pick up the liquid shadows. I only got one and I got the green one. And I kind of want to use it. It's so beautiful. It's the shade Venom. And oh my gosh, and the packaging is just everything. So I may use a little bit of it for the center of the halo eye. I still haven't figured it out quite yet, but I do want to use it. I may use it for its own look. That could be like a Wednesday video because it could be quick, but we'll see. So I am going to take my ColourPop E10 brush and go back into Mystic. And I'm just going to apply it to the edges of the base. Kind of angle it in just a little bit. And I'm gonna add some to the inner corner area. Ooh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it so far. I think I want to take Antidote to just kind of blend it with Mystic. That's what I'm doing now. Oh, this is coming together quite nicely, I feel like. So I'm just cleaning this brush off. I'm going to go back into Mystic and touch it up towards the inner corner of my eye because it is losing a little bit of its intensity, but that's no big deal. Just go in and touch it up. Okay, I really think that I want to take a little bit of granite to kind of start to bring in some shimmers. I feel like that would work out quite nicely. So I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics number 6 brush and take a little bit of granite and start to pop it on. This is a nice shimmer. Oh, this is gorgeous. Now I don't know what I want to use for the center. I think I'll do, oh, I like the grunge shade. I don't know. Let me do silvery up here in the halo. Like that. And then do a little bit right here. And take some of Venom and just get that blended. Actually, I think I'm just going to take Venom up over silvery and touch up granite. I'm liking that. So let me go ahead and add a little bit more of Antidote to blend it with the shimmer. I feel like this is coming together quite nicely. I'm going to touch granite up, blend it with Venom, add a little bit more Antidote, and I think I am going to use that liquid eyeshadow. Oh, this is it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Okay, let's bust out the beauty here, and let me find a little brush because I don't want to just use the applicator. Unless it's a, what's the applicator look like? Is it doe foot? It is. Okay, I'm just going to put some of this on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh, that is freaking dreamy. And I'm going to find a little tiny brush to use for this. I think I'll just use this angled liner brush from Default Beauty Lounge. And I have it, and let's do this. This is, oh my gosh, I'm in love. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I am obsessed. I feel like this will be a good go-to fall glam. It's like vampy and like just, I don't know, it just screams fall to me. And the gold, well, not really gold, like it's a green, but it has like a gold base to it. The Venom, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I used it to do a little bit under the eye, but I used the shade Venom from the palette to put on the eyeliner that I did on my waterline. But I so far love this palette so much. I will try to do swatches in one of my videos that I'm going to do soon. I'm going to try to do at least one look this week with it, and that should be up in a few weeks. So if you want to keep up with that, please hit the subscribe button so that you can see the look that I come up with if you're interested. Alright, let me know what you'd like to see next down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out and it means a lot to me. If you'd like to keep up with me when I'm not here on YouTube, I have all my social medias down below so you can keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans. I'll have my Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff down below. And if you would like to keep up with me while I am here, please hit the subscribe button. It makes my day. It means the world to me, and I'm so thankful to have all of you here. It means so much to me to know that there are people that find me interesting enough to spend the time out of their day to watch and see what I do. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use the hashtag #SlightlyUnblended for your chance to be featured in an upcoming video. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!